Have you ever stopped and thought about how far we've come with automobiles? I mean, just look around at the gas stations of today. They're almost relics of a bygone era, aren't they? Picture this: a sleek, futuristic vehicle gliding silently down the road, powered not by gasoline, but by water. Yes, water. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but let me tell you, the future of automotive technology is shaping up to be more exciting than we ever imagined. Imagine pulling up to a gas station, but instead of that familiar clanking of pumps and the smell of gasoline, you're greeted by a clean, efficient setup where robots handle everything for you. These aren't just any robots. They're sophisticated machines designed to optimize your refueling experience. They'll scan your vehicle, assess its needs, and in a matter of moments, you're back on the road with a full tank of hydrogen or whatever water-based fuel we've perfected by then. It's efficient, it's fast, and it's environmentally friendly. Now, let's talk about the technology behind it. The idea of using water as a fuel source isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. Researchers are making strides in hydrogen fuel cells, which can convert water into hydrogen and oxygen. This process produces energy while emitting only water vapor as a byproduct. Imagine the impact on our planet. No more toxic emissions, no more dependence on fossil fuels. Just clean energy flowing from the tap. It's a game changer, and it's not just a dream anymore. Companies are investing heavily in this technology, and prototypes are already being tested on the roads. But what does this mean for the average person? Well, think about it. The cost of fuel could drop significantly. With water being one of the most abundant resources on Earth, we could see a shift in how we view transportation costs. You could fill up your car for pennies compared to the dollars we shell out today. Plus, the maintenance on these vehicles is expected to be lower since they have fewer moving parts compared to traditional combustion engines. That means more money in your pocket for things that really matter, like that vacation you've been dreaming about or investing in your future. And let's not forget about the environmental benefits. The automotive industry is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. Transitioning to water-based fuels could drastically reduce our carbon footprint. We're talking about cleaner air, healthier cities, and a more sustainable planet for future generations. It's a win-win scenario that we should all be excited about. Of course, with all this futuristic tech comes the question of infrastructure. Will gas stations adapt? Will cities be ready for this transition? It's a valid concern. But consider this. Just as we saw the rise of electric vehicle charging stations, we could easily see the emergence of water refueling stations. Cities will have to adapt, and innovation will drive this change. It's about creating a new ecosystem that supports these advancements. So, as we stand on the brink of this automotive revolution, let's embrace the possibilities. The cars of tomorrow could be cleaner, more efficient, and more accessible than ever before. It's an exciting time to be alive, and who knows? The next time you fill up your tank, you might just be doing it with water, courtesy of a friendly robot at your local refueling station. The future is bright, and it's right around the corner. So buckle up, because the ride is just getting started.